Another location here in Palawan is this beautiful place. This is the Three Angels Eco Park. So we're at the top of the river, crossing this bridge. And this place offers overnight staying. You can see in those areas, those are the cottages and accommodations. It's really nice. The Three Angels Eco Park. You can take selfies on this area. Look at this, oh. It's very nice. What can you say about this place? Isn't it beautiful, right? So may ilog dito, oh. So dito, pwede kayo mag-enjoy ng kanilang, bukod sa kanilang natural river dito, ay may offer din tong karaoke. Beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at this. Ang ganda dun, oh. Nakita nyo yun? Ang ganda, di ba? So hanggang doon pa yan. Tapos may mga accommodations doon sa area. Ang ganda. Look at the water. It's clear water. May ano pa dito? May pinaka-sliding area. Pwede mag-slide dito yung mga bata and then diretso dun sa river. Dito yung river na to, hindi naman siya kaanuhan. Hindi siya talaga malalim. Ang ganda ng sightings dito kasi nasa taas ka. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda, oh. Malalim din dito sa area na to. Kaya may ano siya. Makita mo yan. Meron siyang parang palutang. Kumbaga parang, ang tawag yan? Ang ganda dito sa Three Angels Eco Park here in Napsan, Barangay Napsan. Ganda dito. Tingnan mo naman yan. It's Three Angels Eco Park here in Barangay Napsan. Thank you so much for watching. Again, it's me, Kuya Ronnie Diamond. Maraming salamat po for watching and I hope you are enjoying our content. And again, this is Three Angels Eco Park here in Barangay Napsan. So don't forget to follow, like, and share. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.